Well, while we are fishing at Jefferson, we're gonna do some. What we're gonna do? Cooking here.
Just have some food like
Yeah.
this is shrimp dumpling.
Shrimp dumpling.
We got some fish tofu.
Fish tofu, meatball.
Meatball, big meatball.
Some mama noodle.
And some-
We're gonna put all
That's all.
together
And we
and
got hoisin sauce.
hoisin sauce. Yeah, it's gonna be
Hoisin
yummy.
sauce.
And it's
Chili.
gonna be chili sauce.
Yeah. Cooking.
Not cooked yet, so that's what we're gonna eat. You see, we already got 5 fish. 1 got away. Yeah, it's been biting here and there, but it's already about 6 o'clock now. So we're gonna stay until probably 8, 9 o'clock at night.
Usually I cut it, but today no.
All right, we got some big meatball here. What is
Jumbo,
that?
jumbo.
What is that? Pork meatball?
Beef meatball.
Beef meatball?
This is a good brand.
Yeah, big one.
Tastes good. It's
Too bad we don't have vegetable, right? But we have the mama noodle.
we should
That's what we're gonna eat today.
It's good if you put the vegetable, but oh well.
While we eat, waiting for the fish to bite. And, you know, if they don't bite, it's okay. We already got fire.
It's almost cooked. Add some more?
Add some more fish
Fish
tofu
tofu.
in there. It's gonna be yummy, yummy, yummy.
Okay, there we go. All of it?
This is channel. This is cooked.
Oh, I can eat it?
You cho đã được cái đây bên đó.
She's a 5-star chef.
Oh, a 5-star chef. Look, all already made.
5-star chef. Just boil the water and throw everything in there.
Yep. And taste delicious.
Yeah, usually that can't get any better than that, right?
Who want
5-star chef.
Who want noodle? You don't want noodle?
Nhâm... Oh, the răng đây.
Okay, you don't want. Oh no! That one, holding down.
This one?
Yeah, the shrimp.
The shrimp.
Shrimp holding down.
Is it for real?
Yeah. Xong xay cho vậy đó, thấy nó cao khăn đấy.
No, that one jump.
Oh, yeah, yes. Yes. Yeah, this one I use a big giant, big shrimp here. It's a little bite here. Could be false alarm. Yeah, it sounds like it looks like it's biting. It's something biting on the line. It's false alarm. Probably just some seaweed got caught on there. You want fish bite, you know right away. You know it's
Yeah,
go like
it's like that,
and then they pull. If you don't hear, you don't see the. It's not. Beautiful day. See people, look at that. So little kids are playing baseball all over there. It's actually 3 teams. One over there, one over here, one over there. They're playing baseball.
Chặt bán, đặt trôn nè.
You want hoisin sauce?
Tràn. Ui, cái đây. Hơi chắc bật ban chứ. Hơi
Nó
xử lý.
cam mà gặm cướp máu.
Hơi xử lý trang này.
Cam bán cửa.
Chắc là nó không lo mà.
There's a hoisin sauce.
Hơi xăm sao đây này. Xăm clam.
Cái đau.
It is hot.
You want chili? You want chili? Anh nhớ một cái xong bạn chan chén save some plate, save the earth.
It's spicy too.
That don't spicy. Nó.
Đúng không?
That one inside that one.
Chanda, the double, really good.
Yumi ở tại nhà nào Yumi.
I'm gonna wait first. Mà salmon me, ngày nâng me, too much me is no good for your health. No good for your health. Chậm college chậm nhầm. Cho college that's all I'm gonna eat. Every day me.
You have no choice. Oh, look at that. Jumbo.
I think they make you pay for the meal too.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. You can take 1 meal or 2 meal a day or 1 meal a day, whatever, depending on how much.
I got the limited one.
Unlimited one. Yeah,
So it's like 30 minutes. Every 30 minutes I can eat 1 meal.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure you will do that much?
Mm-hmm. Well, no. It's like
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah. No.
I think it's like $400 a semester, or maybe more. I might be lying. I don't know. But there wasn't that much of a difference. So it was like $100 difference, something like that. So I was like, might as well take the unlimited, cause I'm not planning to spend on like money at all.
What happened you at Georgia?
See, that yeah, I don't know. I think you can change your meal plans
Oh.
like halfway through the semester.
Wow.
At least. No.
Up your name. So do you like that, Joe? Your mom
The fish?
the fish tofu.
Yeah. Miêu chất à? Trên hang chân cái chọc ấy cái pi man.
By 3 đấy.
Yeah, buy 3 like for $5 or something.
Really?
I don't remember.
Buy?
I might.
I need to go buy some.
I know it's like buy 3 for something. It's like this. Oh, the fuck.
What the hell? You from?
It's okay. I do this. Trying to break it apart.
Rồi bây giờ tôi cột với bạn cho nhanh ngọt à? Thôi giờ tắt cái ấy. Không cả.
Đấy, tích được. No.
No fish.
Bị chăm nhưng nhắm ấy hai sao? What do we got? 5? Could have gotten 6.
Với thà bộ bạc cát season á. Hãy chơi chăm mơ bậy. Fish tofu, chợ.
Chăm awesome. Nhưng sông mi này. Đã cái gì.
Should we take the meatball out? Hả? Đi tránh cái đâu? Giant meatball.
Cho you got the thing, or for catfish you don't need the ice.
No. Cho dương tập tên trên plate. Dương mình dương tục với chào nó dương.
Oh, the ship head. Or the walker shine tục dương.
Tích là đuôi thái ngọt và mưa chợ chân như con ọt này. Xì này, xì gai chinh ăn này xì cột cho ăn chọn.
God, it's so hot.
Okay. You want some noodles? Go ahead.
Give me a little, not too much.
Nhung cái sông rồi chặt cái đào.
Banana noodle.
I'm almost full.
See.
I'm
almost full. I'm thinking I just take one fish and throw it in there.
That's what I was thinking.
No.
You should. Just gut it out a little. You have the knife already. Gut it out, then just. I can't even do that.
Dip it. No.
Fish tofu như thôi, bị chicken đâu.
Fish hay tofu.
Well, it's a good meal, right?
Oh,
Yeah, I think I'm full.
Just how you meat.
Yeah, I eat a little bit. That's pretty good meal. Fish tofu, fish meatball, pork meatball, beef meatball, whatever. And what is this one?
That's a shrimp dumpling, shrimp and scallop.
Shrimp and scallop dumpling. Pretty good. Now we got mama noodle in there.
Jam.
Yeah, waiting for the fish to bite. Come on, fish, bite.